Hello everyone, welcome back to my fluency journey. And in this video, we will learn some advanced vocabulary and some common vocabulary. So, firstly, we'll learn some advanced theme based, and today's theme is weather and seasons. So, yeah, firstly, we'll practice it, or firstly, we'll try the exercise, and then we will learn where to use it and how to use it. A white or grey mass in the sky that brings rain or blocks sunlight, which is cloud, right? Ready? Water falling from the sky, it is rain. Very strong wind, a thunder, or a storm blew the roof of the house. A natural light in the sky, followed by thunders. Uh, the kids were scared of the loud strike, or what do you call it? Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. Hot and sticky weather that makes you sweat. It was so uh, hot outside. So hot. I had to take 3 showers. It was so hot. What do we call? What we call about what we say that what else we say about hot weathers. It is so hot outside. It is so hot outside, right? Okay, let's. It's so hot. It's so hot outside. So hot. Frozen water falling from the sky. We built a snowman after the snowflakes. Snowflakes after the snow. After the snow, right? Bright and clear weather. It's a bright day. Perfect for a picnic. The opposite of summer, winter. In winter we wear jackets and scarves. The tool used to measure temperature, thermometer. A violent storm with strong winds and rain, sometimes with cyclone. The violent storm. The thunderstorm caused power outage across the sea. Cloud is correct, rain is correct, storm is not correct. Close but better word is gale. A very strong wind is gale. A gale blew the roof of the house. Okay, got it. Close but better word is lightning. Yeah, the bright flash in the sky during a storm. So the kids were scared of the loud lightning. Humid, hot and damp weather that makes you sweat. It was so humid I had to take 3 showers. Snow is correct. We built a snowman after the snow. Okay, it's a sunny day, perfect for a picnic. Okay, when the sun is shining brightly and the sky is clear, it's a sunny day. Okay, winter. In winter, it's correct. The thermometer is correct. One word is missing. A violent storm. Hurricane. A hurricane caused power outages across the city. So what words I learned today is hurricane. Sunny. When sun is shining brightly and sky is clear. So we say that it's a sunny day, and like it's a very bright and clear day. It's a good day. It's a sunny day for cricket. Currently, the India versus England series is India versus England Test match series is ongoing, right? And the fourth Test match is ongoing. I think India will lose it. Okay, hot and damp weather that makes you sweat. Okay, in India and in Mumbai, the, this is one of the worst weather I have ever seen. It's a very bad weather for me because I sweat a lot in winter, so it's a very bad weather for me in this humid in this summer, right? Thunderstorm is another word, but we can use lightning. Kids were afraid of loud lightning, right? Okay, another word for very strong wind is gale. A gale blew the roof. A very strong wind. You can say a gale. Chris Gale. You can say gale storm. Okay. Now, yes. So 1,000 words list. So we will learn we were learning 10 words each day, right? We will be learning. So today's word is ever. Have you ever been to Japan? Is kabhi bhi, ever, at any time, kabhi bhi, right? Though I like the movie, though it was a bit long. Though means despite the fact that I like the movie, though it was a means मुझे मूवी अच्छी लगी, but या फिर मतलब मुझे मूवी बहुत अच्छी लगी, पर वो बहुत बड़ी थी. Though it was very long, despite the fact, means it's a very means I like that movie. I'm not changing that sentence, but I'm saying that this is correct, but this is also correct, and this is in a sad tone, right? It's least, smallest in amount or degree. Here, the least experience of all the candidates. Okay, least, yeah, got it. Real, not fake or imaginary. Is this Raymond real or fake? Real. Real numbers, imaginary numbers. Real numbers are which are, for example, 1, 2, 3. And imaginary numbers are under root of -1, right? A unit of time, hour. The train hour, the train arrives in an hour, in 1 hour. The train arrives in 1 hour. 100 is a number 100, right? She has read over 100 books this year. Virat Kohli scores a century. And a century consists of 100 runs. AM, the first person singular, or it's also known as time, means morning period of time, right? I am very tired today. To bring back to mind, do you remember your first teacher? To bring back to mind, मुझे दिमाग में याद आया, मुझे दिमाग को याद दिलाना पड़ा. So yeah, do you remember your first teacher? क्या तुम तुम्हारे first teacher को जानते हो? Do you remember, right? Step, a movement made by lifting your foot and putting it down. Be careful with each step on your stairs. And step is also used for a building block of something or a starting step, right? We say that it is a beginning step or it is a starting step. So yeah, initializing step. Early, before the expected time. I got to the meeting early. Let's say I reached the lecture. I reached the lecture early in the morning. So yeah, when you reach before the expected time, let's say your lecture starts at 9 p.m. or 8:30 a.m. Then you reach 8, and then you reach at 8 o'clock. Then yeah, you reach early, right? Okay, so yeah, we learned a lot of words today, and we also learned some basic vocabulary. So if you wanted to see such more videos, please like, share this video as soon as possible, as much as possible, and please subscribe to my channel so that you will be get notified whenever I will upload the video, right? So please, thank you so much. Bye bye, see you soon.